Welcome back all of you. Our next topic is certificate issue. In post offices we have got two types of certificates, NSE or KVP. The procedure to issue these two certificates is the same because the menu is also the same. For issue of certificates we use the menu CMIS AOP by operator, and for verification we use CMIS AOPV by supervisor. This is the same menu used for opening MIS and TD account also. Log on as operator and enter CMIS AOP and click Go. Enter the CIF ID in this field and choose NSE 8th issue from this field. If you are going to issue KVP, then select KVN. I am issuing NSE, so I am choosing NSE 8. From scheme code, select NSE 8. NSE 16, this is the code for NSE 8 issue. Click Go. I think you are already familiar with this screen because we have completed TD account opening and MIS account opening. Now choose mode of operation as self. 012 is the code. Enter the deposit amount. Scroll down. If you are opening this NSE using agent, click agent here and enter the agent code in this field so that the agent commission gets credited into the SB account of the agent. This is a direct credit, so I am choosing none. Enter the name of the nominee, relationship of the nominee and address of the nominee. After entering the address of the nominee, enter PIN code so that the city and state fields gets automatically filled. Enter the nominee percentage, and now India Post has introduced a additional field here as nominee type as beneficiary or trustee. We have discussed about it earlier, so choose accordingly and then proceed further. If it is a cash deposit, click the radio button, set the radio button against cash. If it is fund transfer, choose transfer. Okay. Enter the number of documents received from the customer. Please note, if you are debiting a SB account to open a NSE, click transfer here and enter the POSB account number in this field. If it is a check clearing, click transfer and enter the SOL ID followed by 0382 in the debit account field so that check clearing account is debited. This is a cash deposit, so I am choosing the radio button in cash. Enter the number of documents received as 1 and enter the document code as 016, or you can select from this lens, that is nothing but account opening form. Document code, if you know, you can very well type 016, otherwise you can select from the selection icon. Choose the scan details as scan required and document status as document submitted. Scroll down and click validate and submit. Validation screen did not throw any error, so I am proceeding with submit. You will get the flow screen here. 30,000 is accepted into this account and interest is 14,284 and the maturity value is 44,284. Click submit. Once you click submit, the account number is generated and transaction ID is generated. Note on this on application and hand over the application to the supervisor for verification. Now let us see what the supervisor will do with this application. Now log in as supervisor. And enter the menu CMIS AOPV in menu field and click Go. Choose verify, enter the NSE account number, that is a temporary account ID created, click go. The supervisor has to check each and every field with the application in his hand. If he is satisfied, he can click submit as a token of approval. He has to check each and every field. He has to be very particular on name and type, mode of operation, deposit amount, nominee details, and the transaction type, whether it is a fund transfer or through check. You have to be very particular. Once the supervisor is satisfied with the data, he can scroll down and click submit as a token of verification. Click submit. The certificate is issued and verified successfully. Thank you.